Hello, welcome to EuroPCR 2026. I'm Thomas Hovasse from Massy Hospital near Paris, and it's my privilege to be here today with my co-track coordinator for the CTO course, Kambis Mashayekhi. So Kambis, this year it's our first CTO track in EuroPCR. Why?
Yeah, you mean why we have decided to do that track? Well, what we realize is that there is more and more request on treating CTO lesions. And basically, I remember an interview from Andreas Grünzig from the 80s, where he said, if we're not able to solve the question how to solve the CTOs, we never will be able to solve the question how to deal with multivessel disease, because every fifth patient who comes in the lab has a CTO as well, right? So therefore, if you want to have a complete revasc, right, you should do the CTO as well. And it's technical feasible nowadays. So, and the community is growing, and there's more and more need and demand for dedicated education. The reason are multiple factors, right? First of all, the population is getting older and older. There are more and more surgical turndowns. There are more post-CABG patients. So we find the problem of CTO and complex coronary artery disease in combination more and more. And this is the reason why we have to go directly in this direction and focus on education at that point.
So in order to do so, we prepare with all our colleagues, with EuroPCR, CTO track, with a live case from different hospitals in Europe, with a dedicated session, with also a simulation lab. And I think it went very well, with a room fully packed, a lot of interaction. We know that it will already be a success. And for the future, what are we planning?
Well, I mean, the future, first of all, I mean, we have to go and to review everything, what we have done so far. It looks very good. We had very good feedback, but we are going in reviewing, and we want to improve for sure, right? And one of the ideas could be one day to bring the simulation also in the live case, to make a kind of immersive educational event. Yeah. But so far, I think we set up with the community very in a didactic way and a very humble way how we try to teach, and I could feel the spirit, and that was the most important thing, that really everybody was engaged and happy that this community just joins PCR and support the educational part here.
Great. I fully agree with this philosophy, which is also the EuroPCR philosophy. We will debrief, improve, and do better next year. Thank you so much, Kambis.
Thanks, Thomas.